Hello doctors, have a beautiful day. This is Dr. Hub, a passionate doctor mentoring worldwide. Competitive versus the non-competitive inhibitors. So firstly, you're looking at the competitive inhibitors. Next, we'll be looking at the non-competitive inhibitors. So in case of competitive inhibitors, it is a succinate dehydrogenase. So it is inhibited by the malonate. Next, looking at the non-competitive, the pyruvate kinase. It is inhibited by alanine. Next, in case of the competitive inhibitor, the substrate and the inhibitor, they are chemically similar and have same shape. Whereas in case of non-competitive inhibitors, the substrate and the inhibitor, they are not same. They are chemically not similar and they have a different shape. Next, we are looking at the competitive inhibitor, that is the inhibitor. It binds to the active site. Whereas in case of non-competitive, the inhibitor, it binds away from the active site. That is the allosteric site. Next, in case of competitive inhibitor, the inhibitor, it does not change the shape of active site. Whereas a non-competitive inhibitor, the inhibitor, it changes the shape of active site. Next, in case of competitive inhibitor, it increases the substrate concentration. Increase in substrate concentration, it reduces the inhibition. Next, in case of non-competitive inhibitors, the increase in substrate concentration, it does not affect the inhibition. Next, in case of the competitive inhibition, the Vmax, if you see, it remains constant. In case of non-competitive, the Vmax, if you see, it decreases. In case of the competitive inhibitors, in the Km, it increases, whereas in non-competitive, the Km, it remains constant.